we are going to see division of fraction. So division of fraction means like multiplication only, but we are going to write reciprocal and then we are going to do multiplication. See, 1 by 3 divided by 5. So how we are going to divide this means you write 1 by 3 as it is. Then we are going to change the division symbol into multiplication symbol and we are going to write the multiplicative inverse of 5. So multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal, we call that reciprocal. So what's that means? 1 by 5. Because remember we know that a whole number by 1 only, isn't it? The denominator of a whole number is 1. So when we write the multiplicative inverse upside down, isn't it? So up and down we are going to write upside down. So 1 as a numerator and 5 as a denominator. Then we are going to do the calculation. See, there's no common factors. So we just multiplied the numerator with the numerator and the denominator with denominator. 3 5s are 15. So this is the answer for this fraction. So let us see another example. 1 by 2 divided by 6. See, 1 by 2 as it is we write, and in the division symbol we are going to write the multiplication sign. Then we are going to write the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of this number. I am going to write the multiplicative inverse of 6. What is the multiplicative inverse of 6? 1 by 6. See children, I have changed the division symbol into multiplication. Then I have written the reciprocal of 6. Then what you have to do is since the numerators are 1, we no need to cancel anything, isn't it? So just multiply and write. 1 is 1 by 2 6 are 12. So division is as simple as multiplication. But what we are going to do, we are just writing the reciprocal of the number, divisor number. We are going to write the divisor as reciprocal. Then we are doing the calculation. Let us see another example. See example 3. 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 4. Okay, now you write the left hand side number as it is. And now we are going to change the division symbol. So when you are going to change the division symbol, we have to write the multiplicative inverse, that is reciprocal of the divisor. So 1 by 4, the number is 1 by 4. So we want to write the reciprocal of this. So what's the reciprocal? 4 by 1, isn't it? So now, is there any common factors you have to check? That's no. So we have to multiply and write. So 3 4s are 12 by 5. 5 1 is 5, isn't it? And see here, this number is a improper fraction, isn't it? This fraction is improper. So what you have to do? You have to convert into mixed. So divide the numerator by the denominator. So 5 2s are 10. So what's the remainder? 2. So quotient is 2 and the remainder is 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 is the answer for this division problem. Let us see another example. 2 by 6 divided by 2 by 3. See, we write the left hand side as it is, isn't it? Then we have to change the division symbol as multiplication. Then we are going to write the reciprocal of the right hand side, that is the divisor, 2 by 3. So what's the reciprocal of 2 by 3? 3 by 2, isn't it? So now what you have to do? We have to do the cancellation if it is possible means. That is, if we find any common factors among the numerator and denominators, we can do it, isn't it? So see here also 2, the denominator also 2. So 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2. Then see here 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, isn't it? So now what you have to do? 1 into 1 you get 1 by 2 1 is 2. So what's the answer? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the answer for this division problem. Let us see another example. See here 11 9 by 8 divided by 13. So wherever you see a mixed fraction, we have to convert as improper fraction. Okay. So 8 11s are 88. 88 plus 9, what do you get? So 88 plus 9 we get 97. So 97 by 8 divided by 13. See, I didn't change the division symbol into multiplication symbol, isn't it? That's why I have written as it is. Now what I have to do? Write the left hand side as it is, 97 by 8. Then now I am going to change the division symbol as multiplication. So when I write the multiplication sign, I have to immediately write the reciprocal of this given number. So 13. So what's the reciprocal of the 13? 1 by 13. Isn't it? So is there any common factors among 97 and 8 and 13 and 97? No, there's no way. So what you have to do? You have to just multiply. So 97 into 1, 97 by 13 into 8. 8 3s are 24, 4, 2 carry over. So 8 1 is 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So what's the answer we get? 97 by 104. So this is the answer for the given problem. So are you clear children about the division of fraction?